Dear friends, I am Nakshatra studying in 8th standard A section in Sri KV English School ICSE Chikbalapur, taking part in the Corona Contest 2021. I wake up every morning believing today is going to be better than yesterday. But today, millions of people are at the risk of losing their lives and livelihood due to COVID-19 pandemic. Deserted roads in the cities, empty pockets of the people, starving children in the streets, and siren of ambulance heading towards hospitals and graveyards. Yes, the pandemic is devastating. According to scientists and health experts, coronavirus originated in bats or pangolins. The first transmission to humans was in Wuhan, China in December 2019. Since then, it has mostly spread through contact. China imposed a lockdown in Wuhan on January 23, 2020, when the number of cases was rising. By February 2020, a large number of cases were reported in South Korea, Italy, and Iran. The first case of COVID-19 infection in India was reported in Kerala on 27 January 2020, and India's first coronavirus death was reported from the city of Kalburgi in Karnataka. COVID-19 affects different people in different ways. Most common symptoms are fever, dry cough, tiredness, difficulty in breathing, headache, loss of taste or smell, and etc. Prevention is better than cure. This proverb is absolutely meaningful in combating COVID-19. Let's prevent the infection and slow down the transmission by washing our hands regularly with soap and water or clean them with sanitizer. Maintain at least 2 meters of distance from others. Avoid touching your nose and mouth. Stay home if you feel unwell. Use a face mask whenever you go out. COVID-19 has literally shattered the lives of millions of people across the globe. Farmers, traders, daily laborers, street vendors, people working in private sectors, and even students have lost their homes. Farmers in our country were unable to sell their crops since the markets were closed and the transport was restricted due to lockdown. Students like me suffered the most during the lockdown. In the initial stage of the lockdown, I was really happy to spend my time with my grandparents, relishing delicious dishes and playing games in my beautiful village. I was in a holiday mode. But suddenly, things have taken a U-turn. My teachers started online classes. I could only hear the voice of my teachers and my friends. I missed my friends, my classroom, my PE periods, my playground, library, and the wonderful celebrations in my school. I have experienced anxiety, stress, and fear during the period of pandemic. But my parents spent a lot of time with me, helping in my studies and playing games. After the outbreak of COVID-19, many countries have initiated researches for a vaccine against the virus. Russia, Germany, China, America, England, and India were a few successful countries in developing the COVID vaccine. As of 3rd July 2021, 3.13 million doses of COVID vaccine have been administered worldwide. Dear friends, for every loss, there is victory. For every sadness, there is joy. And when you think you have lost everything, there is hope. Let the rays of hope eliminate the darkness of sorrow, troubles, and sufferings from this world of ours. Let's hope for a new sunshine which may shower on us a new era of happiness and prosperity. Thank you so much for your patient listening. Kindly like and share this video. Your encouragement means a lot to me.